welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making Bakewell tarts. I have preheated my fan oven to 160 degrees and I have greased my tray with butter. The first thing I'm going to do is cut out my pastry cases. Make sure that you have a 10cm cutter. If not, grab something that's circle and 10cm long and use it. I'm now going to take my pastry and lay them in my tray. Now I'm going to put in the fridge to chill for 20 minutes. They have now cooled in the fridge for 20 minutes. Before I bake them in the oven, I'm going to take scrunched up pieces of greaseproof paper and place them in the holes and then fill with rice. I am now going to bake in the oven for 10 minutes and then remove the greaseproof paper and rice and then bake for a further 10 minutes until they go golden brown. Now I'm going to make my filling. First, I'm going to beat together my butter and sugar. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. Now I'm going to fold in my almonds. I'm now going to fill my pastry cases. First, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cherry jam. Then add a tablespoon of your frangipane. I'm going to use a teaspoon to level it off. I'm now going to bake them in the oven for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to mix my icing up. For this, I'm going to mix together icing sugar, with 2 tablespoons of water. Now they have cooled down, I'm going to add my icing and half a cherry. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.